I never imagined that this would be the world that we're in, but it's exciting to see.
Hi, my name is Aaliyah Jones-Harvey. I'm here at the New York City Video Game Festival.
My name is Luigi, one of the co-founders of Video Game Amateurs. Let me just break down a little bit what the New York City Video Game Festival is. So it is a bunch of schools throughout the Department of Education, middle school, elementary school, and high school, who participate throughout the year for different opportunities for them to showcase their skills leading up until today, the finals.
We are excited to be in partnership with Vivid Imagination again this year.
How you doing? My name is Johan Sheriff Crislow.
Hello, my name is Dr. Roderick Pouchin, and I am the proud superintendent of Staten Island District 31.
My company's Play All Gaming. We're checking out Vivid Imagination.
There was this the drone exhibit. Vivid Imagination had this really nice drone exhibit where it's like you can play soccer with drones.
This is one of those things where it's like new innovative technology coming into the market that can help generate the interest for the younger generation to get involved in tech.
I'm Marcello from Queens, and I just played drone soccer, and it's the funnest game ever. I love it.
It's an opportunity for us to celebrate student achievement from the students who are participating in the Minecraft Battle of the Boroughs Mayor's Cup. It's the first of its kind, and we're very excited about that happening, as well as over 60 independent developers who have come to showcase their games.
We have pressure plates. We know a lot of people like to go for a jog, so we decided to turn exercising into a way where we can generate energy for our good.
I think it gives the kids the opportunity to engage and explore careers such as urban planning and graphic design.
So it's really a celebration of the game industry, technology, and its intersection with education. And so for Vivid Imagination to be a part of this year's event for the second time is really special for us.
Give yourselves a round of applause for being here today. We focus on being low. We are vertically integrated, meaning that we don't rely on the school's resources, but we bring resources to the school, allowing our programs to not just sit in closets, but actually put the products into the hands of the students so that they can build what the future actually should look like for them, exactly what they're doing here today.
And the winner of this year's Minecraft Battle of the Boroughs is Money Making Manhattan.
New York City Video Game Festival, and thank you so much for allowing us to be here to support our city's future.